In one recruiting season alone, Scalar had more grads join Amazon than from all IITs combined. Hi, I'm Yash.
Hello. Am I audible? Mitesh, am I audible? You are not audible to me. No, not yet.
Sir, now I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible now. Perfect. So, Mitesh, how was your week?
Sir, it was very good, but
Hmm.
not in a disciplined way.
Mm-hmm.
But since you have taught us the basic things, I was doing that.
Hmm.
And today, I think I feel good. Uh, so from tomorrow onwards, I will already set the routine. I will come to that.
Okay. Okay.
So last week, I think, sir, just because weather was, I don't know, it's not an excuse, but weather was very dull and very
Hmm.
rainy.
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I don't know. Suddenly my waking up and other schedules got disturbed night.
Hmm. I
So
understand.
I was not able to have a proper discipline which I needed.
Got it.
Yeah, sir. I have updated my sheet also.
Yeah, I'm just looking into that.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, happy Raksha Bandhan. Anyway,
Yeah, thank you. I meant to talk to my sister. Oh, I haven't switched on my cam. Wait. So, do you have a sister?
yes, sir.
Spend time with her?
Uh, sir, she was having the family function at his what we say at his husband side.
Mm-hmm.
So there was some get together. So she came and she was for around 40 minutes with
I
us,
understand.
and then she went with her kids to join that function.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Cool. So, let's get into this.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, this is pretty specific. So what did you do last week? So if I look
Yeah.
at this particular part,
Yeah.
what did you do last week?
Sir, last week I started visualizing what you told us.
Hmm.
Like I'm visualizing that I reduced the weight.
Hmm.
So I did uh, I started walking up
Hmm.
for 2 hours, and Saturday I got some time, so I went for around 7 hours for trekking, continuous walking.
Oh, interesting. Hmm.
So I get charged up when I do trekking, especially with nature. I don't know, sir, but I get very charged up.
Where did you go? Which place?
Sir, if you see just behind me now, actually I stay at Sanjay Gandhi National Park. It's a forest area.
Interesting. Hmm.
So here we have around 7 waterfalls,
Hmm.
and so I just whenever I get time, within half an hour I reach to that destination. I get charged up and I come back.
And which place is that? Where exactly is it?
Sir, it is if you search in this Mumbai Thane Godbandar Road,
Hmm.
it is near Euro School.
I've been to Thane. I stayed there for some time, but I was not aware of this particular national park.
Sir, nobody is aware because everybody public here goes to Lonavala, Khandala.
Yeah, yeah,
That
yeah,
is more.
actually.
So
Hmm.
here only some, means compared to Lonavala, Khandala, if you see, uh, just if 100 people are going there, here only 10 people will come. But now
Perfect.
it is increasing little, little.
Perfect. Perfect. So last week was eventful. Cool.
Yeah,
So
sir. And
basically,
another thing,
hmm.
what I did was with respect to IFRS UK, na, you told you take that summary. So I checked with ENY,
Hmm.
I checked with UK, I checked with KPMG
Hmm.
and GT Grant Thornton.
Hmm.
Just a rough idea what I
Hmm.
have, what is the charges, how is the course. So ENY, Grant Thornton, and this uh, Grant Thornton is very cheaper compared
Hmm.
to EY and
Just mention the
KPMG.
prices if you remember.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
EY is around 24 something.
Hmm.
Uh, GT is 17,000
Mm-hmm.
and KPMG is 32,000.
Cool. So what are the differences there?
Sir, I don't know the differences. They both told us me that we will give you the free coupon. We will help you in that process. And GT told that till you are not becoming IFRS UK clearing exam, we will support you. The only
Hmm.
feature I have that is in GT. KPMG does not have. But as you told, sir, that KPMG is very good
Yeah.
and strong in practically. They explained the very good thing. So same way, I got the review internally also.
Yes. Yes.
I
Yes.
asked some of my friends. Then they also told, yeah, KPMG is very good. We also have done from KPMG. But you told that first you do that job
Yes. Yes.
properly.
Yes.
So I just 100% surrendered to you. I didn't went. I just did the inquiry and I told them that I will come back after 3 to 4 months once since my new job it is.
Hmm.
And
So these are the three main options, right? These are the final options.
yes, sir, I worked on this. I inquired and they shared me the brochure also.
Okay. So whenever you're taking any decision for anything, so fundamentally, if you see that there is a better brand, just go for it.
Okay.
Whether it's electronic appliance or an educational course or address anything, because at the end of the day, brands are conscious about quality. We should
Correct.
not take a chance, right? So this is
Right.
the obvious thing. Yeah, all these three are good, but I would recommend one among EY or KPMG, because EY I'm reasonably sure, and then KPMG I'm definitely sure. KPMG is definitely good. So let's for the time being, let's go ahead with either EY or KPMG. Both of them are fine, depending on how
Yeah.
much on us spend. Like if you
But
don't
sir,
have a,
yeah, even I just connected me through mail.
hmm,
KPMG called me, explained me everything, and he mailed also. GT also called me and explained me, but
Hmm.
EY only just mail and no call, nothing. So I
Understand.
thought that I should go with KPMG or GT, as you will say.
Okay,
Anyway,
so in that case, we are going with this also. It's simple. So we'll use the same color coding technique. So for the time being, what we see is KPMG has relatively better
yes, sir.
way to go. We'll mark this in. Just a second, I think. Huh. So GT comes in orange. Okay. So if you think it's simple, right? It's fundamentally you have to pay 2x. So in KPMG, you have to pay 2x. Here, what I personally do is I would not go with this individual percentages. Let's say you have to buy a book. One notebook will cost you 100 rupees. So some other classmate, or if you go for build or something, it will cost you 300 rupees. So there, I don't look at 100%, 300, 200%, 300%. I kind of have a range when I say threshold. So normally, when it comes to learning courses, anything less than $200, which is like 15,000, I don't think about it. Even when whether I'm sure or not sure, I'll just buy it off. Generally, right now it could be $300 around that range. I don't think this is the range. So similarly for each and everything, if you build a financial threshold, it will give you some cushion to operate freely. This is not financially prudent, but as somebody who plays learning as a highest parameter more than earning, you have to look at options. How can you, so let's say if somebody says that somebody wants to earn more, now what would be they focused on? How can they earn everywhere? Somebody is giving them 7%, somebody is giving 6%, they will invest in 7%. So constantly they'll focus on earning. So if earning the objective here, and in earning objective, saving is also an objective, because rupee saved is rupee earned, right? So fundamentally, a large set of people I know personally, including my own family, relatives, and all, large set of people generally would go with this money-driven decisions. If they look at something like this, okay, GT and KPMG are almost the same. Why should I invest additional 15,000? Probably they might operate in that way. Not all of them, but most of them. Here, I would say, just because KPMG is costly, just because the GT is slightly lower, let's forget about the price completely. Let us forget about the price. So when we can think that, what is the main objective or what is the learning I'm getting out of this? If you can focus only on that, then would not look into the right side. Technically, I would not look into the right side. So fundamentally, remove the price menu. Look at the objective. Do you want idli? Do you want vada? Do you want dosa? Just look at it, and that's how you eat, right? You don't look into this. Okay, dosa is 70 rupees, idli is 40 rupees. So you don't do that,
Right,
right?
sir.
So this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do for courses. That is how you kind of have a very reasonable and prudent decision making. So I'm just giving that example, and follow this. Have a financial threshold personally based on where you are. Based on that, just go accordingly. In the next, I would say in the last cycle, based on your experience, you look at KPMG and GT side by side. Remove the price threshold, because 10,000, 50,000 is okay. If it's too much, then I'll think about it. Recently, my team, I'm teaching them digital marketing. We inquired from various institutes. One is ISB Hyderabad. ISB Hyderabad, they are charging around 1,40,000 for digital marketing course. One aspect is it's not very direct. It gives you a definite overview, no doubt about it. It has high quality professors. But there are some many courses where it's around 15,000, 20,000 in the market, where you'll get hands-on experience, where you'll be working on it, and where you can connect to them on a real-time basis, something like our mentorship, so how it happens. So I would rather recommend this, not just at the price. Let's say even it's the other way around, where you get hands-on experience, that has to be given the highest priority. So sometimes it's not just about the price, and not every time higher price would not indicate higher quality. Of course, most of the time it is so, but generally that is not the case.
Okay, sir.
So regarding this, just do a comparative analysis
Yeah, I will do, sir.
without price, and then go for it. Anything is fine.
But sir, I have to take decision after 3 months only, right?
Yes, yes. And do they have any particular cohort?
Sorry, sir.
Do you have any particular cohort, in the sense that is it recorded, or do they start at a particular time?
Yes, sir. Actually, batch has already started. from this last week for
Hmm.
December attempt.
Hmm.
But I told that anyway I want to do for that June or May attempt. So after 3 months, another batch will start.
Hmm.
So I will attend that, and I will get 2 to 3 months for preparation also
Hmm.
for IFRS examination.
Oh, in
So they
that
have
case,
changed the
what?
model.
Yeah, I understood it. In that case, if KPMG is a bit flexible about batches, because a lot of them, they're like, okay, you join and then you have the option to switch the batch. So many of
Yeah.
them have that option. Even if it comes at a smaller cost, that's okay. But what will happen is there is something called heat of the moment. When I say heat of the moment, all these decisions are purely emotional. I would say we think that you have a clear cut career graph, but on a particular day you will join them. 1 week down the lane, you won't look at it in the same manner. So
Right.
I would generally prefer if you could lock yourself at the earliest possible time. If you're having some other thing like CA, CW, CS, anything, if you're having some other thing, you keep that as priority, and parallelly you can just have it without getting too much attached to it, without thinking about the exam and all. So you enter the curriculum, you have an early understanding, and then you can you can look at your May attempt or you can look at your December, however it is. But the point is enter early. At any point of time, entering early is the biggest secret. You can always go for a second cycle, but get in early.
Okay, sir. Then I will check with them tomorrow. If I have not missed, I will join it.
Yes, yes, yes. And
Because
tell
that lectures
them.
are only on Saturday, Sunday only.
Yes,
Only
yes,
two
yes. You
days
can
they are.
attend that. Yes, yes, yes. Because that will be helpful for FR also.
Yeah. But sir, I don't want to miss your lecture. I don't know. I will just say it's a live lecture they are having, KPMG. I will just check
We'll
which day
integrate.
it
See,
is.
basically, one advantage which we have within the cohort is because today I wanted to, streamline everything. Until
Right.
this point, I was only focused on the opening up. The first two, three conversations are only about opening up. So now, if you look at this particular sheet, the entire cohort, we have an understanding. If you look at it, most of them are very interested in getting a high funda career. Like
Hmm.
they focus on a particular type of career.
Right.
Then health is mostly about weight reduction. If you see, everybody's talking about weight. All the five people are talking about weight, right? So this gives us clarity. In health, there are multiple things. So the biggest thing as a topmost priority as a cohort which it focuses on weight loss. So this is one part of it. And similarly, when you're looking at the earning bracket, the bracket is very huge. Somebody wants to earn 1 lakh, somebody wants to earn 4 lakhs. So it's very huge bracket, right? So
But
this
sir, I
is
think I am the exception in the group. If you just see now, I got job after 17 months. This job, 17
yes.
months. I have no source of income, and my age is 40. I told you, sir. So I think that this is I have not correctly planned. And after seeing you, suddenly I got one desire that, sir, really, I will say this is the only one person who can change my life. Just I want right direction, and the amount of efforts which you are putting. After that, I realized that I haven't put 50% also. So I want to change my direction. Step one. Second, I want to go in the upper bracket, means the hard work what you are saying. So already I have started doing the work. Just I will show you one, sir. I have started it
Oh,
on my own.
fantastic. Tim Ferriss. Yeah,
But I want from your side that which two books we should read every month,
absolutely.
either on app by just reading or listening. I don't know which side it is like that, or I
Hmm.
can read physically. Physically is not always possible.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
And as you told me, sir, that first you focus 2 3 months on the job. My whole profile is new, and always I have one feeling, sir. I have that fear. I want to tell you also. I have a huge liability, home loan. So sometimes I get fear that, oh, they will remove me, like our last organization layoff or something. Then where I will go? So little bit I have fear. So now that fear is going little bit, but I want to uh, like in Excel, Word, I want to improve all this analytical skill, and which skill I should have minimum. And say if you say like you do IFRS, then you do UK, then you do USA or do CFA or whatever you will suggest me as per our one-to-one discussion, which I want to go at upper level what I like. I also don't know what I like. And in job, I feel that the current job which I have, it is very much dynamic. So yesterday only I got some in my mind that how everyone get progress. If they get progress by doing that same job efficiently and in a control and in a correct way without error. So my job is like I don't know in that day two problem will come such a way that I also don't know the solution. So after this, I get question: Am I in the correct job direction? Means I don't know. But right now, whatever it came, I accepted it. But in future, I want to decide the way you told, visualize it, what you want to be. But I was not able to do that because I don't have any degree except CA final first group clear. And in my life, if you, I will share you one time my CV. You will see everything is I have started is finished only up to 50%. Like MCOM part one, I appeared. I never get time for MCOM part two. So these are small things, or fear, or because I have not able to clear CA final properly at a over a period of time. Like I read your like 17 attempts that you answered those, but now I feel that I can do it. But I need you, sir, in
Yeah,
this
definitely,
whole
definitely.
process. But I wanted to say that there are a lot of confusion in my mind right now going on. But presently, I'm just working 75% and started following you. What you say, like small thing. But uh, now I came to know that these are the time slot. This is how you have to work, and I'm giving the same knowledge to my child.
Good, good. How old is he or she? What's the name?
Sir, he is a 10-year-old,
Mm-hmm.
and I wanted that at least he should be like you.
Thank you. What is his name?
Sir, I will. He's just coming. You just
Sure.
say 1 minute.
Switch on the light, Mitesh. It's not very clear for me.
Sir, I don't know what I have switched on the light, but it's not coming. It's
Either close the window then.
yeah, I will do that.
Close the curtain completely. When the light falls in, that's where it is. Completely close it. But you have fantastic natural lighting. That's
Yeah,
great.
sir. So this is okay. This is what I can do right now.
Yeah, yeah, that's good. It's
Yeah.
better.
Muja sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Vihan Kataria.
Vihan Kataria. Which school are you studying, Vihan?
New Horizons College School, New Kids.
Oh, interesting. So, what do you do at school generally? What do you learn?
We learn all the subjects.
Can you name the top three subjects which you like? What subjects do you like?
Science,
Hmm.
English, social
Mm-hmm.
science,
Mm-hmm.
maths.
Okay. So, which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science and maths.
Science and
Uh,
maths. Interesting. And what do you want to become, Vihan?
I want to become. I want to become a
Coder. Nice.
coder, and a CA like my dad.
CA like your dad.
And I need to means make new cars and technologies.
Mm-hmm.
And I need to learn a language. I need to learn different languages, and I need to talk the language of an animal and understand
Interesting.
it.
Which is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger,
Tiger
cheetah.
and cheetah. Did you see them at a zoo anytime?
No, I means because we in my last birthday, I asked that to see, but lockdown came,
Okay,
so
so
could not see it. But I have seen the lion, the king of the jungle,
King of Jungle. That's my
and
favorite
leopard.
movie. Hmm. So finalize your favorite animal. Let's start understanding one animal. Tiger, lion, or cheetah. Which one do you want to freeze?
I means I understand no that
Hmm.
animal. First, I will understand the tiger.
Tiger. It's a very interesting choice. I'll tell you why. Because my favorite animal is lion, but tiger, lion exhibit same attributes. Uh, every day after my school in class 4 or class 5, I used to come home and watch this Discovery and Animal Planet. Most of my friends used to watch cartoons, but I always watch Discovery and Animal Planet. I always have this doubt. If you look at any other animal, if you watch this, so if you look at, let's say, a herd of cattle, a herd of deer, they come and graze the grass, right? Whatever is available, they keep eating it. But if you look at lion or if you look at tiger, there is a lot of grass around it. It doesn't eat it, right?
Yes.
It never eats grass.
They
No matter how hungry it is, it never eats grass. So what will lion do? What will this tiger do? They'll decide, okay, today I want that. Let me chase. Let me hunt. So this is the reason why we call it the king of the jungle. Fundamentally, see, there is a different aspect to it, morality, vegetarian, not vegetarian, that's a different part of it. But generally, if you look at it, these are animals which will decide. They don't eat everything that comes along the way. So this is a very important attribute which keeps me attracted to this. Whether it's lion or tiger, and even my daughter Ira is just 15 months old. Even she likes lion. Matlab, every day I have to teach her the lion story. So that indicates your nature. I could see where it is going. So what I'll share is I'll share you some videos linked to tiger. Start watching it. Start watching its lifestyle. There are many good documentaries. So develop some interest, and at the earliest point of time, ask your dad. I guess in Mumbai you have a lot of tigers, right? You even there was one in IIT Bombay also at that point of time.
Yeah, sir. I will show him.
And I think you have some safaris, right? Jim Corbett, Uttarakhand, is it? Tiger safari.
Yeah.
Jim Corbett National Park. Yeah.
Yeah, even in MP we have one,
Kanakisli.
Kanakisli.
Yes.
So we are planning, but after this lockdown only.
So, Mitesh, I would recommend you to take him to that at the earliest point of time where he can get connected. That's what my dad did me. Whatever I wanted,
Yes, sir.
he gave me that exposure. So that will help me. And he's a very sharp kid. I can see that. And coding, did you do anything about it, Vihan?
Yes, I am is doing classes now.
Bytad Junior or something?
He did White
Yes,
Hat
White
Junior
Bytad.
some 2 months, but then we stopped it just because lot of other issues were there. So
But did you get the basic understanding of it with White Hat Junior? Like, you
Yes.
got it right?
Yeah.
Okay. And what did you learn? Like,
I learned coding, how to code, how to make apps. Now I have made an app in which if I want any table, like I want to learn 15 table. So I means tell the computer I will write in the section 15 and I need to enter. Well, can we start? So it will show all 15 table till 10 or 20. And now I have done it till 10, and I have created one game also, Snowball, Aliens and all.
Wonderful. Can you build an app for us? For him, Life School or Super Student, can you build an app?
Yes, I can build, but when I get big and I know proper coding, then I can build it.
Only when you start building, you'll get proper coding. It's not that
Yes.
you get it. Okay. So we'll connect definitely.
I have made total apps and games are 40 or 32.
Wonderful. Very smart. And what are interested? Are you interested in startups? Do you like to do some internship? What is there on your mind?
In coding, no?
Yeah, in coding.
I means when I see the games in the app store, I don't like the games. So I decided that my mom told that there was one man who made the Google and he is now rich. So
Wonderful.
I decided to make the app, okay, make a game that will hit, and it is all realistic.
Interesting. Very interesting.
It means
Cool.
what we
Interactive.
do in the home, what all things we can do, same like that.
Good. So I'll keep sending some inspirational stories and which might get you connected, because I have a lot of friends who work with Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Apple, and these are all best coders in India. Most of them are from IITs. So I'll give you the necessary exposure, but so far so good. So one thing I want you to learn further about tiger. If I ask anything about tiger, you should be able to understand tigers like nobody else. What are the number of tigers in India? Any estimate?
uh, 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 they are very less in India, and all the people are protecting the tigers mainly
Good.
because they are very less.
Give me a number.
And total there were 13 species of tiger, but now there are only 5 or 6 species of tiger.
Very good, very good. Just give me the number. Just guess and get me a number. What are the total number of tigers right now? Think about it and tell me.
Sir has given you the assignment. Tiger. ठीक है नोट करेगा. Okay, sir.
Good
Thank
Mitesh,
you,
is pretty smart.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, nice talking to you. I'll stay connected. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No, it's pretty smart. He'll become a lot smarter than me much early. Like probably by what I'm doing at 30, he'll do in 20. That's for sure.
But sir, everybody needs more direction. That's it. So very some people are there that who come themselves. Very few, one or two. But everybody needs some people who give them the direction.
See, when you have the drive, you'll find the direction. You don't have a choice. Let's say you are somebody who's an explorer. You said like you went for trekking, right? So basically, you're not looking for directions from somebody. Which side should I go? You did not think about it, right? You're just going.
He just
So your son has it. Your son has it. It's just that you should not dilute it. As simple as it. You did not do anything.
Yeah,
You could
I will
maintain what they already have. They're pretty good. As I said, they can achieve everything 10 years earlier. Everything 10 years earlier. So they can look at their financial settlement by 20s. And whatever we are getting at 30, I think that's the same will happen for my daughter also. Somewhere by 16 to 20, she'll be on her own. Like this is the US culture. We are learning the wrong things from them. Probably we should learn the right aspects. And White Hat Junior is one particular thing which is giving that exposure. See, there are a lot of conferences about it, but then at least they got a lot of kids in that direction. That's
So I just enrolled just to know whether he's interested or not.
yes.
Just to check that, and later we can once he's little bit more mature, he can go.
No, he's actually matured. Don't wait for anything. He's reasonably matured. Just send his work, whatever he has done, any links or something. I'll check
Yes, sir, I will share.
Yeah,
share.
my brother is an IIT and he's an exceptional coder, and we have very good coders in the family. So we'll see what can be done on a part-time basis or something. Okay, yeah.
Okay, sir.
And next, Mitesh, so when did you get connected with us? Like, when was the first interaction we had?
With
In life school.
yeah. So actually, I was in library preparing for the exams, and on YouTube, just him life school clicked that you want to study smartly in this month.
Okay, that ad.
So I thought that everybody just speak because after having so much minus, so I thought no, I should go for it. Then I clicked and I got registered. Then I felt that sir implementation part is very much stronger, and seeing that very realistic pictures like you are very much when I saw that pictures like you are having that small children they are doing interview, I thought that yeah, this person has gone very deeply and he knows. And I was not knowing at that time that you are a chartered accountant with all these capabilities, and at the age of 21st, and you cleared in this very short period of time studying systematically visualizing. But then I got confident that the sir is speaking, sir, what is speaking is truth, and we want to give something to the society. I just got that feeling. Okay, we just want to give something first. So my inner conscious that no, I should be in touch with the sir. Then I joined your that program for 2 months. We got that opportunity, and your one word which was that if you don't improve in 30 days means you will never improve. So I was the one who got improved on last 30 days. So I thought, no, no, at least I am eligible to be a part of Sir team. So uh, I cleared my all habits, my all fear went slowly and steady. I forgot what is my past. I started visualizing morning, evening, 5 o'clock every day. I was waking up, and I was always doing that Baskrika what you told
Yes.
that I learned in this lockdown only. But I never did visualization. I was never happy inside, and I never know how to do process and how our brain is working. My very much lot of confusion were there because I was not passing up how to summarize the subject last and get it done. So all these things you made it clear. You made us to write. I thought this is very clear, but as per you, it was not so precise and correct. So I again checked what is wrong, and you gave us lot of example. Plus, I got two of the friends like Akshay uh, and all those like CA pass. So we started talking offline if we have any doubt or anybody wants something. Then that lecture
Yeah.
I recorded, so it gave me some confidence. So confident and that feeling and a lot of knowledge which I was not had, or I had some my confidence which vanished away because of the lot of failures. Sir. I am 2001 registered. 2005 I cleared my CA inter, and I don't know what happened. I could not able to clear my CA. I didn't got any exemption. 59 I got many times. I never got anything. Then in 2012 I cleared first group after merit, and again I was struggling a lot to clear the second group. Means my retention power was very low. I don't know what happened. I don't got any degree. Suddenly all financial problem came to me. So all this fear and with all this state of mind, I again reappeared for this last time, and fortunately I got you. But in the last 2 months when I went for that exam, I saw that I was really prepared. uh, my hands were writing, but there was improvement in every side.
Yes.
Means I just thought that this is my last attempt. I will never give now. This is the what I can give 100%. And now I will move towards the new things like because of reading that same thing, my eyes get closed reading the same thing. But now, like if there is some IFRS UK or say CPA or so, I will get some interest to do something. So I always had that feel, and everybody same. Everybody in the society, I only heard one thing that you are unsuccessful person, and just I don't have any hope. And then I got means I myself feel that I am the unsuccessful person. So after having touch with you, this unsuccessful UN has gone out. But how to become now successful is my question. So I'm working hard. I took some break, and just now I want to follow you and your teachings and how to get proper guidelines and work on it and step by step increase so that in next 5 years I should I should feel that I am successful irrespective of any other comment society comments.
Pretty good.
Feeling should be there. This time I have got the satisfaction that I have given my 100% for the CA exam.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So I'm really happy to see that our vision behind this is getting reflected in what you're speaking. So this is exactly how I wanted our students. That is the reason why we are calling it Super Student. Like Super Student, when we created, we had Batman, Iron Man, Superman in the mind, and then
Yeah.
these are somebody who have a larger purpose and they do some sacrifices for the larger good, and that they continuously face a lot of problems, right? So you have a lot of villains and then you have to fight it, and that is the reason why you are a bit above. So when you look at students from CA, CWS, CS, UPSC, NEET, and some law schools and business schools, these students have higher responsibilities. The difficulties are far more higher than what they would otherwise have. A normal student at 20, 21 who is doing some regular engineering as compared to somebody who's doing medicine or CA, these people have higher difficulties. So if you look at superheroes and then if you look at the students, super students, they have some attributes, but the point is you have to build a very strong mindset. At the end of the day, it's all about the mindset. And when I say super student mindset, we actually look at it like a second brain. So fundamentally, let's say, based on your past experience, once you got into proper education, it's been 20 years since you're getting educated in one way or the other, right? It's continuously. So your brain and your mind undergoes a lot many changes because of what you've already experienced. We don't have to go back and keep changing everything. That can't happen because these are built. So what we actually do is, if you notice, we create a separate part of your brain which works separately. It's like an operating software. It's like an application. So we call it the second brain. This is the super student mindset. So where the first part which we talk about is clarity. So fundamentally, once you're clear. So one thing which I can see from your life goals is that you're very clear, and especially the relationship part. Initially, it started somewhere else, and then you're clear about okay, person X, person Y. And if you're talking about your career growth, okay, 35 lakhs by the end of next year. So when you're making it very clear, so it indicates clarity. Next, I find that every time, because you're one of the regular students who keep coming to all the sessions, you're becoming more and more peaceful inside. So that is getting reflected. So fundamentally, when you're feeling peaceful from inside, that is when you can actually think about other aspects. Now you're able to think about iOS. Now you're able to think about X. You're thinking about Y. You're thinking about something which you're passionate about. You're trekking and all. So once you start clearing this, then you'll start thinking about the next sets. So everything goes boom. So that's what is happening in Life Scholar. So Super Student is about studies. Now that you've completed that reasonably well,
sir.
but then what next? This is going to take some time. When I say Life Scholar, we looked at all the attributes, and the way I have built it in mind is, in India, if you want to have a successful, I would say, very happening and happy life without any constraints, you should be able to make at least $1 lakh per year. So $1 lakh is 70 lakhs. See, I'm somebody who is absolutely minimalist. Like, if you ask me what would I do with money, this is my background. If somebody asks me background, this is exactly the background. I don't care about anything else. But the point is, looking at your larger family responsibilities. Let's say your son is now 10 years, right? So 10 years down the lane, if you want to send him to Harvard, if you want to send him to Stanford, if you want to send him some any Ivy School undergraduate program, at 5, 6 years, 7 years down the lane, you should be ready, right? So these are all not about money. These are all about choices of your freedom. So we never think about it. We never think about it because we don't believe in that. But at the end of the day, it's simple. The market works like this. What is the size of the problem you're solving? It's simple. For a particular company, what is the size of the problem you're solving? Somebody who is just typing, let's say you look at a stenographer, what is he doing? He's converting X into Y. So his role is this much. If you look at CEO, he's taking decisions. He's taking expansive decisions. He's solving all the problems on a real-time basis. So he gets a bigger chunk of it. Now, how would you get there? Only when you are capable of solving bigger problems. Now, how would you solve bigger problems? First of all, solve your existing problems. When you are not even able to solve our own problems, how can we solve other problems, right? So it starts with that habit. Okay, what is the first problem? Let's say somebody is stuck with preparation. Okay, solve it. Next, mindset, solve it. Routine, solve it. Next, career, solve it. Relationship, solve it. Once you solve everything in your zone, you're ready. Okay, my zone is solved. That is where you get confidence. That is where you get. And people talk about communication. I would always say, just have an internal conversation. First of all, you don't understand yourself. How can you expect others to understand you? So these are the dimensions in which we are progressing. And as far as our current Life Scholar program is concerned, so in the initial first 2 weeks and 3 weeks, I was focusing on understanding people together. And this is one good session where I was able to get your entire depth, because until now your son is not there in the picture, because I could not think it. So now some of your decisions, some of your financial investments should also go into the direction which should help him start at a different point than where you have started. If your son is also starting at the same starting point, then our efforts are futile, right?
Yeah.
So one part of it, career, please keep learning. This keeps happening continuously. Second part, relationship. Relationship with others is a reflection of how we are with ourselves. So the personal relationship, interpersonal, I would say interpersonal relationship, as it goes deeper, as it goes more finer, you'll automatically start seeing that it works. I think you're already noticing it, right? Your relations, you're already noticing it. It naturally improves. This happens. And next is health. As I said, we talk about a lot about physical fitness and all. Once again, if your brain is not operating properly, if you're not getting the right signals from your brain, then your body cannot perform the way it can. So body is important, brain is important. But I would say first fix your because more people have mental health issues than physical health issues, and all the physical health issues are generally manifestations of mental health issues. Most of them, stress related and all of them. So once you solve this, then you can think of the next thing. Okay, weight loss or weight gain or getting a six pack and all of it. This happens, and finally once you bring everything into balance, then you talk about wealth. Because as I said, money is very important when you don't have it. When you have a lot of it, it no longer becomes important. So it's a very tricky relation with money. And for money, I think, yeah, this is a masterpiece, Psychology of Money. So Psychology of Money. Yeah. I'll explain the concepts. When we get into wealth, I'll explain all the concepts, okay? Psychology of Money.
Author name?
Morgan. Morgan Housel, okay? You just have to type Psychology of Money. It's extremely popular. So for let's say for career, we are already analyzing this book, right? The book which I wrote, Beyond 2020. This book. You're aware of this?
Your book?
Yeah, my book. Yeah. Matlab, I'm a part of this. I'm a part of this writing team.
So it is available?
Yes, it's available on Amazon. Mitesh, you don't have to buy everything. We will explain everything. Point is, I'm just giving you references.
I'm just noting down.
Yeah, that's okay. But generally, until you build the habit of book writing, I would say book reading, don't buy too many books. First, complete one book entirely, one book totally. Next, second book, third book. Once you read 3 books, then you'll understand whether you're liking this or not. Then you can go ahead. Okay. So we'll cover all of this. We'll cover at least 3 to 5 books in each. When we talk about personal mastery, we'll be covering at least 3 to 5 books, the best books on the planet in personal mastery space, mind mastery and all. Next, in career, in health, in wealth, everything. Okay, that will happen. And parallelly, we'll recommend you. Okay, we are going to teach you the concepts of this. If you're interested, parallelly study along with us. So this 1 year education, as I said, like my favorite course on the planet is Harvard Business School, MBA at Harvard Business School. It will take you 2 years, and it will be around 2 crores, like 1.6 to 2 crores, and it's totally worth it. So the way Harvard teaches you business, I want to teach you life. That's the objective of HIM Life School. That is exactly how it is going, and this is precisely the model. There's no particular curriculum standard. It's just that we are opening up, and students go back and start implementing it. They're coming back, and most important, as I rightly said, the cohort, the kind of people who enters into this will make a lot of difference.
Okay.
So hope you have taken me through what has already worked for you. Now I have taken you through what will work further. So the same, getting back to this sheet where we are looking at this. This life, yeah. So we'll track individual progress also from now. We'll start tracking individual progress. So one decision, you can complete it. You can clear this decision by the next week. Okay, next week I want this decision to be done. Once this is done, you get into the track. Next, we'll focus on this. Okay, personal mastery. Your communication negotiation is byproduct. I said I did not read a single book on communication. I never read a book on communication. It's just that I'm clear, I'm focused, I'm precise. Automatically, this gets improved. Okay, so next few sessions we'll directly jump into personal mastery. And if something is a bit urgent, if something comes up, then we'll switch to other aspects.
Okay, sir.
And this is how we are building it.
Yeah.
All right, Mitesh?
Yeah. Sir, last one question.
Yeah.
Last one.
Yes, please.
Sir, the way you have taught me the process, reading, planning, slot wise, the way you prepared us for the CA exam. So can you, I don't know, people would be interested because people don't know you. I have told many of you, but nobody is believing you right now. I have forwarded to many of my friends that you joined this. They say that it is not possible. We have to read and do like that only. But they don't have the process yet. They have cleared anyhow. I don't know. But this is a systematic way. It's a planned way. Sir, like my son Vihan at this stage 6, I want that this all should be learned at this stage only, so that he can do 7, 8, 9. So if you have any program for child, the same what you did for us for 1 month, so let me know. My child would be the first one to enroll you.
Okay, so let's. This
Similar
is.
thing,
Hmm.
I want that you teach my child what you have taught me, because I am father. He will not be very serious.
Hmm. So, what is your age of your son?
Sir, he is around 11. He is in
Okay,
6th standard now.
11 years. So, what do you think
And
is a right age to start this? What do you think is a right age for this type of
so
education
I
for
think this
children?
is the right age, because it will build his foundation.
Okay, so let's make it 11 to 14 years. In fact, new education policy talks about this. The one which is right here, the new education policy, talk about it. Okay,
Yeah.
let's talk it 11 to 14 years. And the best program which we have in our ecosystem is Human Intelligence Master. That's the highest level program. So let's bring that directly to them. I'll call it Chota Him. Okay,
Chota.
him.
Okay.
So him is not me. Him is Human Intelligence Master. That's our best program. Let's say what we have is the first level we have is Super Student. Next is what you are currently going through. So the current next program is Life Scholar. The third one is Human Intelligence Master. So these are the people who can rule the world. So Super Student, people come in the 10% club. They'll form a part of the 10% club.
Okay.
Life Scholar, you'll get into the 1% club, because very few people have a comprehensive life. Individually, there are many of your friends who might be earning more than you, but they don't have comprehensive life. So this is the objective. And Human Intelligence Master is about the 0.1% club. So this is exactly what we are doing.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, what are the attributes which you think should be taught
Yeah.
to your child? So let's call it Chota Him for the time being, and our Super Student Junior for that matter, because it's not academic. We are not talking about just student. So we are creating a superhero which is beyond academics, right? So 11 to 14 years. Let's look at 30 days. Let's look at 30 days. What is the first thing you want to teach? You want them to be taught. What is the first thing you want?
Discipline, systematic way, decision making.
One is
Second,
discipline.
yeah, discipline means like to achieve any subject.
Hmm.
There is only disciplined way to study. There is no shortcut,
Yes.
and you should realize the amount of hard work you have to keep, and smart work as well.
Hmm.
How to start?
Hmm.
So,
Okay. So this is plan, systematic thinking.
yeah.
Hmm.
Then how to set goals
How
at every
to.
span of year. Say 1 to 5 years, you should know this. 2 to 2 to 5 years, and how to take decision ultimately.
Hmm. Decision making. Hmm.
Achieve. Once discipline is there, he will
Hmm.
set the goal. He will try to achieve in a systematic way.
Hmm. Next.
And sir, our mind, like we should never be depressed. So how to take any situation in the life,
Hmm.
how to deal with that. That's it.
Okay. Facing tough situations.
Correct.
Hmm.
Mindset, you can say in your
Hmm.
one.
Hmm. Then.
Yes. So if this is done, I think wealth will automatically follow. Happiness will automatically follow.
Hmm.
They will be energetic. I mean, discipline means they will definitely do some exercise. They know that without health it is not possible. It will
Yes.
come under that.
Hmm.
So, and live your life having simple sattvic food, and live your life happy. See the world. Like I want to really see the world. That is my dream. I haven't said it, but I want to see the world. And I
Got
will
it.
go.
Hmm. Perfect. So these are the things which you want them to be taught. So what is the best method? Because my daughter is 1 year, your son is 10 years. So fundamentally, I have a lot of cousins where I spend time, but you have been spending 10 years with him systematically. So you have better insights on that part. So for teaching this, what do you think is the best methodology? Like, is it weekly session, or is it recorded course, or is it live? What do you think is the best methodology to teach them?
Sir, I think even half an hour live will help them.
Live sessions.
Instead
Okay.
of recording, even
Okay.
half an hour live.
So live sessions. Done.
Yeah.
Next.
Even half an hour. I mean, it will make in touch with you, when you ask the question. Because I think that my son has, little bit careless nature. I think so. Only discipline will help him to remove that careless nature. Like he's not keep things proper way, in the stag way, in time. All those. Means understand the importance of time. What you have to do right now. So this is the age now, sir. Now he will not learn at this age. Then when he will learn.
You're right about it. Yes. Then you're talking about time management. Okay, so we'll add this also. Now, okay, so live sessions, question and answers. What should be the frequency?
Sir, at least twice in a month. Because
Twice in a month.
we should also give some time to improve them. No?
Yes, yes. Every
We
2 weeks.
not at least initially twice in a month. Then we can, as per your connection, you can do once in a week like us. We are serious people. We know.
So basically, the way it can go is something similar to us, right? Let's say 1 year program. We'll have 12 different modules or 6 different modules. So where we break it down, we'll make it far more fun and engaging. We'll make it, right? Let's say we can make it a 1 year program or something short. What should be the duration?
So 1 year program, fine.
1 year program is good.
Every person, like in Gurukul, they were going.
1 year
I
program.
don't have that facility. Otherwise, if you had that school, I would definitely put you.
We'll have it soon. That's how it was supposed to start. We even had a tie-up with Andhra University, but for COVID, it would have happened already. But that's okay. We learned a lot more than what we not. And what should be the fee for this? Let's say for this 1 year program, it's not just you like it. Generally, what should be the representative fee for this?
Fee. Okay. So actually, what you are teaching is very valuable. I know personally this, but sir, if you say weekly, like monthly, or if we take 1 year whole, it is fine if we around 10 to 15,000. It's okay, sir.
Okay, so we can price it around
Yeah.
10,000 to.
Yeah, means because I am thinking of your value of time also.
I understand. Yes. See,
that way,
Mitesh,
means-
let me be frank about this. Fundamentally,
You are teaching, sorry, not your any what we say, the person, not other than you. If you teach, definitely this should be.
I understand. Okay, so now we have designed a basic program, right? This structure is there. See, I have thought about it. Definitely, I have thought about it. I would be, and as you rightly point out, the earlier it starts, and I have invested more than 75,000 already on IRA for learning programs.
Sir, I
It's
know.
it's because I don't know whether it works or not. I don't know whether she'll understand it or not. But what if she understands? If she doesn't understand, it's just another expense. That's okay. But what if she understands? That's my whole point. Because there was one particular her occasion something. We went to buy some gold for her, like small simple chain is around 75,000.
Yeah.
Now, just for the sake of a photograph, you're just buying it, and you don't know how it will affect her future. This chain of gold.
Correct.
I definitely respect it. But I was thinking, what if I invest into something very active where we can see? And she is extremely smarter than the rest of your peers. Like what people do at 2.5, 3 years, she was able to do it in 7, 8 months, which we are already seeing. And right now, as I'm talking to you, Ira is with her grandparents in the last 1 month, not with her father, not with her mother, just a 13, 14, 14, 15-month-old baby. So we could see the difference. So definitely that is there. So what we can do this is, okay, let's see if we can launch them on or before November 14th. Okay, November 14, 2020, we can plan to launch it. This is an aggressive launch. Okay, before this, we can have a soft launch. When I say soft launch, right now, this Life Scholar, we had a soft launch. We did not promote it, we did not do anything about it. It's just that existing people who already understood us, we're just building it together. So that is the reason why it is happening. Ideally, 3 to 5 years down the line, it is a 4.5 lakh program. The entire one, because I'm telling you, Harvard teaches you business in 2 years for 2 crores. So when I have to teach you life, I think there's no value to it. But if we get there, I can get the kind of people which somebody would not meet otherwise. Because I would rate myself here. There are a lot of people in this brand with in my own contacts. I can get Dr. JP. I can get other people who can do that. That is what we are going to do. And this is a good price point. Yes, somewhere between 10 to 15,000 is a mutual win-win for most of the. It's like 1,000 rupees.
So because many people cannot afford it.
Yes,
But
yes,
they want
true.
this. So
True,
it is
true.
like even if this is the 10,000, like many people, at least I will try. I know that
Yes,
I can
yes.
do something, cut mine, and I can give at least 10 to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is something which we can definitely do. So meanwhile, start exploring with this. See, the moment we have 10 people, we'll start it. You can take my word on that. The moment we have 10 people, we'll start it. So you can become a partner also into this. Because as I said, right now, I have very limited time and I can show you my homework right now. These are the set of books I have to complete in this week. So what I'm going through is a massive learning program. Like whatever I learned in the last 10 years, I want to have one more cycle in just 1 year.
Okay.
So this is exactly what I'm planning for 10x growth. So earlier, what used to take me 1 week, now I'm trying to finish off one book in just one day within that
Right.
3-4 hours. So I know not too much deviated on growing too many things, but yes, definitely I can spend that amount of time for children, definitely there. But I want somebody to do the other side of the work, like reaching out and all. If you are interested, the moment we have 10 people, we'll kickstart the program, and Vihan will be my first student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
can
sir.
we can do that. You can think about this. You can think about it. You already have it.
Yeah.
Just talk to people, and we'll take it forward. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Sir. I think, sir, Sir, like me, my wife also have many questions.
Yes,
So I
please,
told
please.
right now,
Please
sir
introduce
is
her.
busy. Sir, can she come if you?
Yeah, please introduce her. That's okay. Please come.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, namaste. How are you doing?
Namaste. Yeah, all good. I have continuously listening about you, and so just thought to listen to this lecture today. So I was just sitting beside right now.
You should have joined. Yeah.
Yeah. Since you gave a chart to Mitesh, okay, I'll just give a little brief introduction about myself. I am a dietitian nutritionist, practicing since 10-11 years. So since when Mitesh gave me, that this is what my goal set is there, what is yours? So I said, I haven't thought about it and I don't have a clarity about it, what I want to go ahead with it. But yeah, that's for sure that I want to earn at least 12 lakhs per annum,
Yes.
that way. But since I would say there is a restriction in my mind where I feel there's a mind blockage.
Sir, your teachings. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So I feel I got a little bit of mind blockages, and I am not able to make money continuously.
I understand. Yeah.
So and even I don't want
Change
to
job.
change
line.
in line. See, I'm working in the hospital as well as attached with the gyms. So
10 to 15,000 they pay.
and the pay scale is quite peanuts.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is only in the bracket of 10 to 15,000 or max to max 25,000. It's the what we get in our field.
So change good.
Now, what change should I do in my field? That's the first question. Second question is, if I want to continue in this, then how should I make it attract money so that I reach to my target goal?
May I know your good name?
Meenal.
Meenal.
So, sir,
Number one, the goal which you have set is very reasonable. 1 lakh per month is absolutely reasonable. You can look at it from January 2022 itself. From 2022 January, you can start earning 1 lakh per month. That is going to happen. You need not worry about it. Okay. And I think by the end of the year, you can look at a family income of just 50 lakhs, which will help you live the kind of life you wanted to live. I think that can happen. And you are in a right segment. Your niche which you have selected is extremely good, because this is a time when I say there are a lot of things which has to start at the mind level, but once you move beyond it, let's say Mitesh also mentioned about weight loss, right? So when you're looking at it, obviously you would be a better coach, or you would be a better person to that. I have done my fitness certification and nutrition from Gold's International Gym, but I'm not practicing it actively. So that is the reason why I don't do anything about it. So I only teach what I practice. So fundamentally, if you come in there, if you're doing it, a lot of people would be interested, because as I said, currently an average Indian is making around 1 lakh per month, like the particular segment of people. In this 1 lakh, if you remove the basic taxation part, they have around 75,000, 80,000. So if you look at the age group between 21 to 30, a lot of them want to improve. So when they have to improve, they won't mind spending anywhere between 10 to 20,000 per year on something, some part of it. In your case, let's look at this. Let's say you are also having a 1 year diet and nutrition plan for 1 year, and this involves weekly consultation. So okay, this involves weekly consultation, and if you're looking at 10,000 per year, let's have a very reasonable starting figure. If you're looking at 10,000 per year, if you have 10 clients, let's say if you have 10 clients, you'll make 1 lakh, right? If you have 100 clients, you'll make 12 lakhs. If you have 100 clients, you'll make this 10 lakhs, that figure, the ballpark figure which you're talking about. So can we not get 100 people who are willing to pay 10,000 per year? You just have to think about it. So for helping them with their nutrition for a span of a year, can they not pay 1,000 per month? So it's a no-brainer, right? You just pay it. So
But what should be in the program?
yeah.
Like,
So
how should the program should be designed?
yes. See, let's understand this. First, I'm trying to solve the first problem which you have asked. The question is, can you make 12 lakhs per year? That's the whole point, right? This is the core point. Now, when I change this, when we look at it this way, is it possible? Now you think it's possible, right? This 12 lakhs, you can make it. The next question is how. First, we decided that, okay, it is possible. The next question is how. It is very simple. Anybody, if they are into the coaching and consulting business, it's just logistics. Where are you starting? Where you have to go. I'm just repeating. Where are you starting? Where you have to go. If you look at Mitesh's sheet, I think you have access to that. When you look at it, he is mentioning by end of December 22, I have to make 35 lakhs. Probably I'm starting at 15 lakhs, I'm starting at 20 lakhs, I have to go to 35 lakhs. So point A, point B. Now, similarly, when you are having a client, when you have a representative client, let's say you're talking to me, let's say you're proposing this to me. Now, what would I want to do? Until now, last 4 to 5 years, I'm not working on my fitness because I'm only focused on my mental health. Now, if somebody says that, okay, I can take care of your diet, then I would like to give you my goal. If you're taking care of my diet, I'll go and hit the gym. I have already memberships in 2 or 3 gyms. So I can just start working out. And if you take care of the nutrition part, I don't have to spend time on this. So for this, I won't mind paying the 10, 12,000, which I'm talking to you about. So in my case, I want to increase my weight, or I want to build a 6-pack in the next 6 months to 12 months. For me, I want your support in having a nutrition plan. This is for me. And for somebody, for a woman around, if you want to take the case of Namrita, my wife, she recently, she had a delivery last year in March, and you understand, after that, they go through that, right? So she's also not doing the fitness, because we understand fitness is always linked with food. Without food, fitness is nothing. So for her case, if you're talking to young mothers, I can help you regain your shape in 12 months. If this is your course, I can help you regain your shape in 12 months. So month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, you're going in this direction. So this is where your niche starts. This is a target segment. So I would say pick up one particular niche which should hit somebody. It should, if you are trying to hit anybody, you'll hit nobody. It should hit somebody in a very, very precise and bullet point. Once you start with that, once you solve that problem, automatically you'll grow some testimonials, you'll grow some stories. From there, it picks up. So in order to have this, the first thing which you should do is decide, I'm going to do it. It doesn't matter what has happened. It's done and dusted. Like whatever has happened, it is irrelevant whether you are done good, bad, ugly. It is irrelevant. Let's say you're starting today, August 22nd, 2021. We are talking about this, and let's say you did the basic work in the next 1 week. You are starting on September 1st. September, October, November, you're preparing the course content, you're looking at the course pricing. It could be 25,000 also. There is no limit to how much you can charge. So it depends on how much quality you're offering. So you're going through a 100-day cycle in terms of improving everything, whatever the last 10 years you picked up, or if you have an existing client testimonials, get them, you have to convert them. So once you start doing it, then you'll realize new problems. Okay, I got a video from my client, but I don't know how to edit it. Then you might think of an editor. This will boil down, but you need to create some space for this. You need to create some focus space. You can ask for a budget from Videsh, or if you have it, you get into that. On December 1st, plan on launching this. Let's say you're going ahead, because most of the people will go for New Year resolutions. Everybody, 90% will happen. Since you're working with him, you know that, right? So you can target that part. So you can get into that. You can be ready for that. You can definitely expect somewhere around 100 conversions. You plan it properly. So first year you get this. Okay, first year you have to maintain this 100 people properly, and it can be done very reasonably well. If you are maintaining 100 people for a span of year, not everybody turns out every week. So let's say every week you can say, I'll have 3 to 4 one-to-ones this week. You can book. It's just a small tool. I can help you with the
So,
tools and yeah.
so yeah, sorry to interrupt, but my USP mostly is into a therapeutic diets, that is more into a diabetes, or more of a thyroid, or more into clinical setups.
It's
Yes, weight
even
loss.
better. It's even better. If you're talking about therapeutic diet, it's even better. It's more sellable. You can grow much faster because you're talking about pain points. There are two things. One is vitamin. The second thing is painkiller. Somebody who's already having pain, it is easy to sell a painkiller to them. Vitamin, you can say that you can build a body or you can do something else. It's a bit difficult to push it unless they have it, right? So the part you're talking about thyroid, the part you're talking about diabetes, it's extremely important. Extremely important. I can say that you can hit it much faster than I'm saying.
Yeah, so my target for next another 3 years would be like, another second year would be like 5 lakhs per month.
See, I'm telling you,
But I am not yet into a making of a business model. So what you are suggesting, a business model, like I am not able to hit that niche
yeah.
crowd.
See, number one, in your mind, target, yes, it's better to have some financial goals for the sake of it. But when I say target transformations. My target would be to transform 100 people. So internalize that. Once you do that, the other people will experience you in a different manner. So even in this, Mitesh was just saying, we see many ads, but then when I see, I saw some genuinity in terms of trying to help people. So this is what you have to reflect first. So just decide, next year I want to help 100 people. After that, I want to help 1,000 people. Naturally, when you're helping 1,000 people, if you're making 10 lakhs when you're helping 100 people, when you help 1,000 people, you'll make 1 crore. That will happen naturally. So for the time being, just remove that financial part slightly aside. Let's focus on how many people we can help. So you can either decide thyroid or diabetes. Just start with one. So start with one particular aspect, type 1, type 2, whatever it is. Decide with that, and I would say create a database or create a document based on what you want to offer. How it converts into a course, it all comes later on. But initially, what is it you want to talk about thyroid? What is it? So do you want to start with the problem, or do you want to directly start with the diet? Do you want to start with some other type of intervention? Do you want to mix some pranayama plus diet? Whatever it is. At the end of the day, people who are going through thyroid, they might be taking medication, but they're having this fluctuations, right? And you have to go with the symptoms, like what are the biggest problems that people are having when they are having thyroid, and then you can focus on one particular symptom, because weight loss and weight gain are also because of thyroid, right? It goes up and down.
Yes.
And focus, concentration, mood swings, all of it will happen. So you can pick up the top 3 or 4 5 problems. So even if you're having thyroid, even if you're taking medication, still if you're facing this, I can help you. This is why. So initially you should be able to exploit thyroid. Then you should be able to explain how this diet is going to help solve the problem of thyroid. So you start with helping people understand thyroid. What is T3, what is T4, what is THS. So start be very clear about it. So if you're talking to if you're explaining that to Vihan, you should be able to understand it. You have the entire base inside your home already. So we literally say that if you're not able to explain something to a 10-year-old kid, it means that you're not understood it. Okay, start with that, and I can help you because next week probably you can join once again next week also along with Mitesh. You're most welcome to join and do some progress. And once you do this, help will come. Let's say, yeah.
Okay. So now this is the one part what I was thinking. The other was like, should I go for a job or my own practice setup? So that's another question. The third question is, I have in a mind where the as a lunch, a whole salads has to be prepared and delivered.
So this is the problem, Nidal. Fundamentally, we are thinking about step 10 without thinking about step 1. So the possibilities of, I think since you're staying in Mumbai, probably you might be influenced with Reliance generally. But the point is that possibilities happen after 30 years. Like after a while, in your case, first let's sort this. Let's sort this step 1. What are we doing about this thyroid problem? Let's sort this. Let's build something about it. Let's prove ourselves. Then let us go to this salad delivery because that's a different game altogether. This is completely ecosystem different. That is different. So you have to decide one thing, then build the next thing, then build the next thing. Let's not think about revision much before we start the preparation. Like this is the stage 1 that will deal with it. So right now, for the next 3 to 4 weeks, if you could follow whatever I am teaching you right here, like you just have to go back and implement, that will simplify things. Otherwise, you cannot break down things. So step 1, pick up one, either diabetes or thyroid. Pick that up and do some research. And you can record videos like this. So fundamentally, write the documentation in just Word or handwritten, and then you start explaining. So you'll get some comfort in talking to people. And once you do this, and genuinely talk to some people about it. Let's say you talk to your friend or somebody in your family. Just try to. It's not about money comes later on. Whether you can solve a problem or not is what matters. Once you are able to solve a problem, automatically money will come.
Okay, and if I am not in that to prepare the videos and to prepare the marketing stuff, what is another alternative for that?
So,
The point is, are you saying, do you want to change the goal? Or are you saying you cannot do some steps in the goal? That's what you're talking about.
Yeah, if I'm not able to do some steps in the goals,
Ah,
then what can be the change?
it's simple. At the end objective is you have to talk to people, right?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable talking to me right now?
Yeah.
This is exactly a video is. There is nothing different. If you remove my frame out of it, it becomes a video. I'll share the link. Probably you can watch it. This is getting recorded. I'll share the link. Then watch yourself. This is what is going to happen. Fundamentally, in video, probably I'll be standing out like Mitesh. I'm not fitting into the picture. You're just talking to yourself. That's about it. So there is no way that it cannot happen. It's almost impossible for you not to do it because you're already doing it. It's quite natural for you. And marketing, even I don't like marketing, and there are many steps to it in which, see, fundamentally at a particular point, you don't even have to market it. When people get to know, they'll get it. Until that point, it takes a bit of branding effort. If you're not totally comfortable with it, if you want to outsource, I have somebody who can do it for you. I'll recommend that. That comes at a later point of time. Let's say you built everything, but then you don't know how to use Facebook ads, Google ads, and all of this. We have somebody. Even I have an entire team working on that. So that help is there for each and everything. And for a lot of people who just cannot talk a single word, we can have some animated videos. A lot of things are there. But in your case, you're already talking. You're already, a video is already in the making, this video.
Yeah.
So you don't have to think about it. So fundamentally, just get to the step 1. Decide what is it. How are you going to solve the problem? So this solves the problem actually.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Sure. And next week, I'm expecting some improvement. If you should not have the same discussion once again. Give me a solution. How is your diet going to solve thyroid? Okay, let's stick to this. How is your diet plan going to solve thyroid in 3 months or 6 months? Give me a diet plan.
Sure.
Cool. Well, I'll take you to the next foundation level.
Yeah. Thank
Sure.
you.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can help her, Mitesh. I think she's actually good. She's just hesitating. Matlab, otherwise,
Yeah.
I think she's clear with the content. She has that experience, and she's also reasonably good with talking and she's very clear about things. It's all
Yeah.
fine. It's just that you need a slight nudge or push. That's about it. I think you can track her. Next week, you can share me the progress of what she has done. So
Sure.
we'll be able to launch it.
Sure. So you told me that 14 November program if you want to join. So what exactly what time I have to allot in this? If I joining you as a team,
Okay, it's simple.
just I want to understand,
Okay,
so that I
okay.
can plan.
Yeah, it's
To
simple.
take the decision, or we both can help in
Sure,
this.
sure. Let's do this, Mitesh. Now there are two things. Okay, so let's look at this thing called Chota Him. Let's look at this diet plan. Diet plan for thyroid. These are two programs. Now, both the cases, we are trying to improve something. In this, we are trying to improve the mental state of mind. In this, we are trying to improve the physical state of health. So, who would use this out of the 700 crore population or 7 billion population, 750? There are specific set of people, a child who is in the age group of 11 to 14 years would need it. And their parents should be making probably around 10 lakhs per year to even think about it, because others may or may not think about it. And at a very higher level, they'll have very high performance coaches because they have access to so they may not be interested in this at this level. So we need some set of people who might be making around 10 lakhs per year. So the game is, can we get 100 out of this, 100 people out of this? It's a very simple step, right? It's a no-brainer. Now, if I ask you, you are ready. If you think about three of your friends, they'll say, okay, well, let's try what is there in that. So there is definitely some market about it. There is definitely some demand. Can we cater that? It is already proved. That is the reason why we are doing it, right? It's not that if the moment a potential customer says that we need this from you, the product is already successful. If the product is coming from the other side, then it has to have market. But if it is the requirement is coming from the market, a lot of people ask me, actually, a lot of people.
Correct.
And across multiple age groups, 5 years, 15 years, 25 years, and a lot of people want to join themselves because we're already aware of it. So that is the reason why it isn't surprising for me. So there are a lot of people who are interested in this product. Now, what is the biggest challenge? We have to tell people that we are doing this. There is a program like this available at Him Life School. And second thing is, how do we convince them to join? So one is awareness, second is conversion. So this is what we have to plan. So one way is, let's say in your contact list, there are some number of people who are in this age group, whose kids are in the age group of 11 to 14 years. We'll directly reach out to them. And when we reach out to them, first we'll have an oral explanation. Then once you say that, okay, there is some positive, they're asking some information. So I'll create a brochure. I'll send it to you. So this is exactly how it goes. So once you understand the market, then we can look at some revenue sharing basis directly. So fundamentally, let's say how it works is, this is a program which we are doing it together.
Okay.
So here the dynamics are all the same, right? So at the end of the day, every course has to be marketed. What we are doing for Chota Him, we're also doing it for your the dietitian course for Meenal. So let's say for both the things, we need a brochure, we need some content, we need some video making. So already we have a lot of capabilities here. I can help you with this also. Let's say for this, we can help you with this. It's simple and fundamentally for others, it starts with the too many questions. I start with the core focus. The core focus of the product. Once it is into the market, then the terms between us is not complex, right? It's just some level of percentage which we can discuss over a call and close it. So we can take a cut out of it. We can do multiple possibilities, and you can involve in it, and you can see that change in your son. And you can, once you find this interesting, probably I can bring in Meenal into this for nutrition part for kids. So this is how the structure can go, and definitely I'll be interested because you already spent some time with him, and I trust people who has transformed, like somebody who is already at this stage. I don't know, because somebody I know the old version, somebody I know the new version. It implies that these people are action takers. So that is the reason why I'm responding so openly when you're with your proposal.
Okay, sir, I got it.
So you think about it, and next week we'll finalize it, and both the parts will take to the next step.
Yeah, I got it.
All let me
Yes,
this.
sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Have a good day. Yeah.